Thinking about buying rental property in Japan? There's one risk many investors underestimate: natural disasters. Japan experiences thousands of earthquakes every year. It also faces powerful typhoons, heavy rainfall, flooding, and landslides. Repairing a damaged rental property can easily cost tens of thousands of dollars. In some cases, rebuilding a severely damaged building can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. That's why insurance is one of the most important parts of property investing in Japan. But here's something many foreign buyers don't know. Standard fire insurance in Japan covers fire, lightning, typhoons, wind damage, snow damage, and many types of water damage. However, it does not cover damage caused by earthquakes or tsunamis. Even if an earthquake starts a fire that destroys your building, standard fire insurance usually won't pay. To protect against earthquake damage, you must purchase earthquake insurance separately. There's another important limitation. Earthquake insurance does not provide full replacement value. In Japan, earthquake insurance generally covers up to 50% of your fire insurance amount. For example, if your building is insured for 100 million yen, the maximum earthquake insurance payout is usually about 50 million yen. The goal is to help owners recover, not to fully rebuild every property. Some insurance professionals even say that after a major earthquake, the payout may only be enough to cover demolition costs, rather than rebuilding the property. The actual amount depends on the extent of the damage and the terms of your policy. That's why it's important not to assume that earthquake insurance will fully cover your losses. Property owners should also think about liability. Imagine a damaged fence falls onto a neighbor's car, or snow slides off your roof and causes an accident. If you're responsible, compensation costs could be significant. That's why many experienced landlords also carry liability insurance. Before buying property in Japan, don't just compare prices and rental yields. Check your insurance coverage. Review the local hazard map. Understand which risks are covered and which are not. Successful real estate investors don't just buy good properties. They prepare for the unexpected. Subscribe for more insights on Japanese real estate and property investment.